Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Wrangler door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Torx T30 bit and a flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the two Torx screws located on the door panel. Then, gently pry off the door panel to reveal the internal handle mechanism. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the components that need repair, ensuring a smooth process from the start. Now, let's proceed with removing the old handle. You will find two rods connected to the handle assembly. Carefully disconnect them. If your Jeep Wrangler model has an electrical component, unclip the electrical connector. Finally, remove the three screws that secure the handle in its position. Taking your time with these steps prevents damage to surrounding parts and prepares the area for the new handle installation. With the old handle removed, it is time to install the new one. First, carefully position the new handle into its designated spot and secure it using the three screws. Next, reconnect the two rods to the new handle assembly, ensuring they are firmly attached. If your handle has an electrical connection, reattach it now. These steps ensure your new handle is properly seated and fully functional. To complete the repair, carefully align the door panel and snap it back into its original position. Then, reinsert the two Torx screws to firmly secure the panel. Finally, thoroughly test the new door handle to ensure it operates smoothly and correctly. This final check confirms your successful repair, providing you with a fully functional door handle for your Jeep Wrangler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.